Are you okay?
What it look like? I've been shot!
Did you call 911?
I ain't call nobody, man. I'm black. They ain't gonna come for me.
No, come on, that's stupid. You're gonna be all right.
Nah, man, it's the truth. Now let me stay here and die.
Here, give me your phone. I'll call.
Come on, man. Wrong pocket. I'm taking.
Sorry.
911 operator.
Yes, there's been a shooting.
What is the address of your emergency?
1432 Compton Avenue.
Tell him the hood.
The hood.
And what color are you? Sir, are you black or white?
What?
Are you black or white?
I'm white. Yes. He's been shot. I don't.
Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Have you been shot?
No. He's
Sir, have you been hit?
I'm okay. He's been shot.
Just let us check your vitals.
So clearly, you're in shock. Let us help you.
I've been shot. What you mean him?
Gurney!
I don't need a gurney. Why do we need a gurney? Gurney, you're gonna be fine. All right. What are you doing?
You're on my leg.
Sir, relax. Let us save your life.
I'm good.
It's all right, just take it in.
Oh, that feels really good.
All right, up.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's go. Homeless people. This town is just riddled with them.
Son of a... Man, I'm here. Man, I'm dying.
Don't you die on us. Hold on.
I'm dying. Subscribe!